So I just got these. Usually I don't do reviews so quickly. I usually first try the product, but in this case, once the cables are connected, I won't be able to review them. And these cables, these Ethernet cables, are real nice. You know, I have an older one here, so you can see how it fares against these new ones that I bought from UGREEN. These are quite rigid, you know, very low flexibility. And on the other hand, we have these. I bought two. This one is a 1 meter length one, and I bought a 3 meter length. They are really nice in terms of the build quality. They have these. They're still pretty rigid, you know, but nothing compared to this thick rubber. This is tissue, you know, some form of strong tissue, and these awesome little connectors with a protective cap that I'm unable to disconnect. I'll just try to use both hands here. Okay, this isn't easy. Okay guys, sorry, I had to pause the video. It's such a cool color for the tip, you know, really nice. As you can see, you know, have the little button press, just like my older ones have. Actually, they don't. They have just the lever. Really neat, really cool. Yeah, and the cable itself is way more ergonomic, I would say. It doesn't have as much memory as these ones. These have too much memory, so when you try to use them, they tend to stay curled. While this one, if you stretch it, it goes immediately to straight mode. You know, so really nice cable. I hope they work fine. UGREEN, I'm a big fan. I'm using them for quite a long time now. I have several products from them. Really like them. That's all, guys.